Okay, the second one is the do while loop. Do while loop. Okay, so here do while loop ఏంటి అని అంటే same as while, but there is a difference between while and do while. So first we write initialization. The syntax for do while loop is first initialization. This is the syntax. Okay, the next do, open the bracket. Here the statements which do are going to be executed. These are the statements. The next update here, either we call it as increment or decrement. Okay, close the brackets, and at the end we write the condition while condition. So this is the syntax of the do while loop. Okay, so first initializes the value, the next it enters into the loop, it executes the statements one time, then it's at the end it checks the condition. So here at the end it checks the condition. At the end it checks the condition. It checks the condition. At the end it checks the condition. If the condition is true, if the condition is true, then it enters into the loop. Then it enters into the loop. It executes the statements once. It executes the statements once. Okay, the next again then update the value, then it updates the value. After updating, updates the value. After updating, again it checks the condition at the end. Again it checks the condition. Okay, if it is true, again it enters into the loop. Checks the condition. Again if it is true, enters into the loop. Okay, so this process repeats until the condition is false. This process repeats until the condition becomes false. Okay, so this is, so if the condition is true, then it enters into the loop, then executes the statement once, again update the value. After updating the value, again it takes the condition. Again if it is true, it enters into the loop. So this process repeats until the condition becomes false. Okay, so here what happens means at the entrance only it enters into the loop without checking the condition. At exiting it checks the condition. Okay, at the end it checks the condition. If it is true, it continues. Otherwise, it comes out of the loop. So whatever the next step, it will be continued with the next step after the while loop, do while loop. Okay. So this loop we also call it as a exit controlled loop. We also call it as a exit controlled loop, because at exit, at the end we are checking the condition. So this is a exit controlled loop, or we also call it as a post controlled loop. So post means later. Okay, later it checks the condition. First it enters into the loop, execute the statements once, then it checks the condition later. Okay, so that's why it is a post controlled loop. That is, so here while and do while, that is a little difference between while and do while. So here while loop, and next here do while loop. Okay, so here so the syntax of the while loop is initialization, while, here condition, statements, update. Okay, this is, and here the syntax is initialization, do, statements, update. Here we write the condition while condition semicolon. Okay, so here if the condition is true, then only it enters into the loop, then the while loop executes. Here first it enters into the loop, then it checks the condition later. At the end it checks the condition. Here at the entrance only it checks the condition. So while loop is also called as entry controlled loop. Is also called as entry controlled loop. Okay, so here the while do while loop is also called as exit controlled loop. Exit controlled loop, because at the end, at exiting the while loop, we are checking the condition. So that's why it is a exit controlled loop. Here at the entrance only we are checking the condition. So that's why it is entry controlled loop. And also we call it as a pre-controlled loop, pre-test loop. Okay, pre-test loop. So here we are testing the condition at the entrance. First we are checking the condition. So this is the post-test loop. We also call it as a post-test loop. Okay, so here if the condition is true, then only it enters into the loop. If the condition is true, then it enters into the loop. Then it enters into the loop. So here, whether the condition is true or false, first the at least one time the statements are executed here. At least one time the statements are executed here. Okay, irrespective of the condition true or false, at least one time the statements are executed, irrespective of true or false at the first time. Okay, then if the condition is false, it comes out of the loop, but at least one time the statements are executed. So that is the difference between while loop and do while loop. Okay, in some situations we use the do while loop. So when it comes after executing the statements, it will check the condition. So this situation arises, we use the do while loop. Okay, so here when only the condition becomes true, then it enters into the loop. That situations we use this while loop.